Hello, my friends. Long time no see. I haven't painted much of anything in months, but I'm finally getting to the point in our remodel where we're making good progress, and now we're kind of in a holding pattern waiting for countertops. So I have some time to paint, and I'm going to try to paint, do a video anyway, at least once a week. So today I'm starting it off real easy, easing back into it with Artist Loft Ready Mix Pouring Paints. However, I have extended them with a glue and Floetrol mix, which I will detail down below. And people ask all the time, why are you changing up? They're ready to pour. And yes, they are ready to pour. But I like the effects I get when I extend them, particularly when I use a little silicone. And I have white with a couple of drops of silicone in there. I'm going to do a swipe. And I don't like the silicone in it straight from the bottle. So I do like to extend, and that's what I'm doing today. So I've got Magenta Deep. Oh, and I went to Michael's. I had to buy some white. I'm trying not to buy any more paint, but I had to buy white. And when I was there, I noticed they had some of them on clearance. So I had to pick up 3 more colors because they're pretty colors. And I didn't have them, so I did buy those for $7 a piece, which is a good price. So anyway, medium magenta, light green, or magenta deep, phthalo blue, cerulean blue. I did add a little white to it to lighten it up, light violet, and aqua green. So, and white for the swipe color. So I'm going to just pour this on, apply the paint in separate lines, and then I'll swipe the whole thing and tilt. So I'll probably speed this part up. Okay, I'm going to tilt it around a little bit to fill in these little empty gaps, and then I will swipe. I'm going to get these out of the way, so I'm going to swipe this way, and then I can lay my plastic down to the side there. So yeah, let me do that. I'm going to swipe, and then I'm going to tilt some more. So I like to stretch out the cells. But you can see how the color is still very vibrant, even after extending it with a glue and Floetrol mix. And here we go. I'm not going to worry about the sides because they never look that pretty with a swipe. I usually end up painting the sides with a solid color. So here we go. Oh, I got to put down the swipe color. As I said, this is just white with mixed with the same glue and Floetrol mix and a few drops of silicone. Where shall I? I'm going to apply it up at the top here, swipe down, and then tilt off the big white stripe I end up with. All right. This big, wonderful piece of plastic I like to swipe with. sure I have contact all the way across in the white, and then slowly swipe down. It's going to be okay. I wish I had more of this white that came down. I don't want to swipe again, I don't think. Do I have any more? No, it's going to be okay. All right, time to tilt. I'm going to tilt it kind of in every direction to get movement within the cells, and that will vary the size of the cells as well. I see a stripe here on this side I want to get rid of. So I'll let the weight of the paint do that. There we go. Oh, I just love the way they look with this paint. Okay, I don't mind some of the white, but I want to get rid of some of it as well. Okay. I'm really liking it. It looks like a doily. That lovely lacing. It's and the colors coming through from beneath it. I like that a lot. It's been a while since I did this. I kind of wish I had either added more white, so I'd have this kind of look all over, or added some down here or something, so I'd have it kind of come and go. Sorry, I'm very rusty on narrating my videos, and boring, but it's come along. I have too much paint on the surface, so I have to tilt more off, but I'm still happy with the composition. Such a cool variety. I like these cells down here. I don't want to run them all off, but let's see if I can stretch them out. Bring them in a little more. Yeah, I think I'm happy with that. Turn around towards you. I always pretty much prefer the way I see it as I'm looking at it, because that's the viewpoint from which I am determining the composition. And now you're looking at it the way I saw it. So let me bring you in for a closer look at these luscious cells. So you won't get this look with Artist Loft and silicone unless you add some pouring medium to them. And as I said, I will list the exact pouring medium down below and the ratios for you, as always, in the description box. But it's just a glue and Floetrol, and that has the added benefit of helping the composition stay just as you see it. It will not change up. It will dry just like this. I think those are great looking cells. Cells and lacing, both. Anyway, just a simple pour for me to get back in the groove and start making videos again. So I thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.